Hi everyone, welcome to Diane's Kitchen. We've actually figured out a way to do this, so I'm going to start doing some videos of my cooking. Today it's something pretty simple. I know a lot of people don't like black pudding, but I'm afraid that's one of my favourites, so you're just going to have to put up with this little episode today. I've discovered a really nice way of making my black pudding, so it's really tasty. So basically it's my black pudding, which I've got here. I'm just going to do a couple of rounds today. An apple and some fresh sage out of my garden. So to begin with, what I do is I peel and core my apple, and then I chop it up, and then we'll get those things done and we'll come back to this. So here we go, just chopping up this apple here, quick and easy. So basically the idea is I'm going to saute the apple, caramelize it a little bit, and then I will quickly fry off the black pudding, add the sage leaves, a little bit of seasoning, and we'll just see where things are at. Okay, so we're back at the stove now. I've just got a little bit of butter in a fry pan, a little bit of oil, just melting that down. Actually, I've got to put the heat up a little bit. And we'll get this going, and once it's hot enough, the apples will go in. Okay, so the apples are taking on some colour now, and I like breaking up my black pudding before I add it in. So I'm just throwing in my little pieces of black pudding now. I'll get a little bit of colour on those. This is a beautiful black pudding that I bought in Echuca at a cafe called The Black Pudding. And it's actually supplied by a couple of British blokes, young guys that live across in Moama, and they, I think they are actually butchers, and they make all their own small goods. So, yeah, so anyway, so I bought the black pudding while I was there. Just finally chopping my sage to add in. Sage, of course, fresh from the garden. The aroma of the sage is just beautiful. So just getting this black pudding going. It cooks pretty quickly, actually. Chopping in there. My director's helping me out here with some close-up shots of what's going on in the pan. It's looking nice. The sprinkling of sage, some seasoning, okay, I'll just let that cook away for a bit. So I was never a great fan of black pudding when I was younger, but over the years I've experimented with it, done a few things with it. I find that it really works well with an apple, with the apple and the sage, and it is really yummy. Okay, so this is just about ready, everybody. Seasoning in, and then the final finishing touch is just a drop of maple syrup. Oh, that looks wonderful. A bit of a turn like that, and this is ready. There you are. So there's my first video, everyone. I hope you've enjoyed it. Hopefully they'll get better as I go along. So we'll see you again soon. Bye.